Hello, we are going to create a Vuetify Hello World app using BANanoVuetify, a wrapper library I have created. For this we use the CDN version of Vuetify and we will use the example on their website. As noted with the CDN version, we have a div, then various components to build the app. We also have a container with Hello World. Let's fire up the development environment using B4J and we will use B4X as our development language. We will use an already generated project template as a baseline for our app. For this you are not writing any HTML, JavaScript, or CSS and will just use the abstract designer. The IDE creates backups of your projects. For now let's just delete these as we don't need them. A new template anyway will not have these folders. The objects folder is where the generated web app will be saved in. Let's rename the B4J project to be our web app name. This is important. We double-click the renamed project file to activate the B4J IDE. The B4J project comes with some predefined properties. Let's change the app name and app title. The app name is the name of the www folder on our web server, whilst the app title is what will be displayed in the title of the web page of our web app. The Libraries Manager shows the reference libraries we will use for our app. One is Banano and the other is BANanoVuetifyAD. Our development web server on Laragon is running on port 8080, we just need to ensure that these match also. We will now create our Hello World example. We use a code module called pgindex for this. We will load a layout that will have our HTML and feed this to Vuetify. We activate the abstract designer. There is already an existing template there, but we want to create our own. Click on File and then New to create a layout. We will add some custom views to the designer that we have created specifically for this. Click Add View, then Custom View, and then vdiv. This will be placed on the layout. As per Vuetify docs, the first element should be a div with an identifier of app. We also need to change the name of the view to app. We also add the other components needed. These we give our own unique identifier names. These should be placed one inside the other and ensure you have spaces in between the elements to establish the parent-child relationship. We have just added the VApp component. The vMain component is the same as vContent, let's add that. So vMain is done. Now let's add the vContainer component. This has Hello World in its text, so let's update the text content of our component too. We are done with our design. Let's save the layout with a unique name. We will load this layout later when we want to use it. Generating members is a process of defining the used components in our layout so that we can access them with code. This also will have our events for components that have events. The generated members will be defined as global variables. To start our app we will call the init sub. The Vuetify app will be rendered on the app element and it will source the HTML from the body of the page. We update the name of the layout that we need to load on the body element with the layout we created. Everything will be consolidated as soon as the app is served. We wait for the compilation to take place. Our web app will be shown as soon as the app is finished compilation. There we go, we have created our first Vuetify web app.